Introducing iSprowt, a STEM learning program where learners engage, experiment, and get inspired. Aligned around science standards and Common Core ELA for 6th through 8th grade, these hands-on science kits contain multiple STEM experiments that are proven to increase content retention by up to 80%. Inspire your students' sense of wonder, exploration, and inquiry. Spark curiosity with Common Core ELA-aligned activity books, packed with exciting, phenomena-based science lessons and activities. Engaging workbooks guide students through cross-cutting concepts, predicting, modeling, and writing. Bring science and reading to life with real-world investigations. iSprout's engaging, hands-on STEM experiments come with simple, easy-to-implement instructions that can be integrated into the classroom in minutes. Professional development teacher training is fun and flexible. Highly engaging live and recorded Zoom calls engage teachers and have them ready to integrate iSprowt quickly and easily. Budgeting for iSprowt falls under federal and state funding, including Title I, Title III, Title IV, Title V, ELA, summer school, and after-school programs. PTA or donation funds are also commonly used. Inspire the next generation of critical thinking, problem-solving explorers, scientists, doctors, entrepreneurs, and engineers. Hands-on learning can potentially boost your science and ELA test scores. Call to schedule your demo today.